What's happening, guys? It's your boy Mark Bryce. We're here in the garage / storage space. I got all my units here. Today's video has to do with the car, the Hyundai Sonata that you see right here, right beside me. That beauty right there. Well, I want to talk about something that I had made a video on, and I want to review it after, I would say now, 4 months in. The product that I want to review is actually the universal lip spoiler. Not the front. Well, today I'm going to show you guys the front as well, the front lip spoiler. But today's video, I want to discuss the side skirts that I purchased and I made a video on. Now, it's been about 4 months, maybe 5 months going in. And I want to show you guys the aftermath of purchasing something off eBay and seeing the durability of this product on your car. Now, I live in the state of Pennsylvania, so right now we're going through the hot weather. So due to the hot weather, if you have certain material like plastic, it may warp, and that is what I want to discuss. This side skirt that I purchased a full lip, it cost me like $100. I'll put the link below. I think I paid about $100, and it consisted the front spoiler, the side spoiler, and the rear. It was universal, it can fit in any car. The only thing you have to do with the side skirts is that you're gonna have to trim the side. I made a video on that if you guys want to watch it and teach you guys how to install it on your car. It's very self-explanatory. I believe I did a great job installing all of that onto the car, so I cannot blame it on my skill. I think it's the durability, the material of the product. I believe these products are coming from China. You paid $100 for a universal full kit, so you know what you're paying for. Like I said, due to the weather here in the state of Pennsylvania, it is getting hot. So this plastic, I'm gonna show you guys a clip of it. The plastic warped, and I try to do my very best taking it out, unstretching it, or doing what I could to flatten it out. And it's not because of the way I installed it, it's just because the material is flimsy. So what I did is I just removed it. Then I went ahead and I purchased something offline, thinking I was gonna get a great price, which I did. It was a great price, but the material sucked, and that is why I'm making this video. Trying to inform you guys that if you guys are gonna go to that route and get yourself a universal lip spoiler off eBay, the price may be enticing, it may be good, you may wanna buy it, and you're gonna go ahead, purchase it, install it in your car just for 5-6 months later to find out that the material sucked, it warped, it cracked. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm gonna put the link below of a side skirts that I purchased after purchasing the full kit. And I have it here, it arrived, and I wanna tell you guys, well, you guys be the judge of it. So this is one of the skirts. Here's the other one. Again, these are the side skirts. And just by showing it to you guys, you can already see what's going to happen here. So let me take it out of the plastic. I believe I paid $45 for these. Again, $45 for side skirts. You may think that's an awesome deal, which is an awesome price. But you're getting your money's worth. For $45, you're getting this plastic, which I love black gloss, but look how thin it is. Do you think this is gonna stay straight in your car? Look what I'm doing to it. With heat, it's gonna bend. It's going to warp, I guarantee it. So I'm not even going to install this in the car. Although it does look nice, I wish it was a lot thicker and not flimsy. So I'm gonna save myself the time, and I am not going to install this. I'm gonna put the link below so you guys can see what not to purchase on eBay. Okay, I'm trying to prevent you guys from spending your money and your time. Now, because I had purchased this about a month ago, I can no longer send it back. I had it boxed up on the corner over there by my storage units. I never opened it just because it's been a busy month. I'm going on vacation soon. Just planning things out. I'm working on my backyard. I had a guy coming over to give me an estimate on a big project that we're gonna do in the backyard. So I just been all over the place. So I wasn't able to open up a product and do a review. But today I opened it up, looked at it, and I said, damn it, this is cheap. This is flimsy. So I contacted the company, but when I looked at their policy on eBay, because it's past 30 months, I could no longer return this. I don't know what to do with this. We'll see. It looks nice. They look nice, but they're not thick. They're cheap. They're cheap plastic. All right, guys. So prevent yourself from purchasing something like that. Just because the product looks very good on eBay, on the listing, you're like, wow, it looks very nice. Even the images look nice. Be cautious. Be very aware that you're probably going to get your money's worth. So if you're going to spend $20, $30 on something that you know costs over $100 and you're getting it for $20, keep in mind the material. Keep in mind that the quality, the durability may be affected. All right, guys. So now let me go ahead and turn the camera off. So let me switch the camera so you guys can see what I'm talking about regarding my front lip spoiler. So on the first original video, I'm gonna put that original video on the description so you guys more or less know what I'm talking about. It was the universal front lip, universal side skirt, universal rear skirts. And it all came together, and I installed it. I made a big video about it, and I did a great job. However, some goofball where I was parked, I'm sure somebody, or maybe a kid, I don't know. I was at Walmart, came back, and the front universal lip spoiler was cracked. Somebody had stepped on it. It looked like that pressure was applied on the front certain section because everything else was straight except one part was cracked and it was bent. Some kid, some douche, some blind person, I don't know, stepped on it, applied pressure, and the front universal lip spoiler cracked. So I got a replacement, and because I'm going with that black gloss red theme, I decided to get this lip spoiler, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. But I've had it now for 2 months, maybe 3, not sure. But I'm going to show you guys what to look out for when you purchase this and you put it onto your car. So let's go ahead and let me show you. All right, so let's go ahead. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Do you see those red marks, those little black marks on the red stain? Excuse me, on the red piece. Look at that. That's actually from driving all the debris. So what I recommend you guys doing, if you guys are planning on purchasing this 4-piece, again, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. What you guys need to do is before you purchase, before you install this onto the black gloss, take this piece out and then paint it. Paint it gloss. Glossify it with this. Put 3 coats on it. So what happens is you're preventing that red mark from being scratched up because of the debris. This is what you're gonna need to do. I wish somebody had made a video on how to maintain and how to install and how to take care of a front lip spoiler, because I don't see any of them out there. Again, this spoiler cost me about 40 bucks, I wanna say. And it looks beautiful. I love it. It looks way better than the original one that I had. But I just don't like how that red piece now is, you know, it looks like it's a year old, 2 years old. I only had it for 2 months. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contact the company, see if I can just purchase that red part only. And when I receive it, take out the old one. But right before I install the red new one, I'm gonna paint it, give it 3 coats of this clear coat here. It's gonna make it look wet. It's gonna give it that gloss look. But what you're really doing is you're just preventing it from being scratched up. Guys, I hope this helped you guys. And if you found this video very useful, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to know more about cars. My future plans on this car, I have 2 things that I want to do. I've been saying it for like the past half year now. I'm going to paint the interior of this headlight. I'm gonna open them up, paint it black and that gold effect. Excuse me, that black and chrome effect. And now as I'm looking at my, people think it's a Road Runs grill. It's not a Road Runs grill. I put the Road Runs emblem on, but that's actually an M&S grill. I'm going to take that grill out and I'm going to paint it black. That is what I'm gonna do. I've been looking at it lately and I said to myself, you know what? It looks a lot better in black. So that's what I'm gonna do. Guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later. And if you like this car, if you like my channel, if you like all that good stuff that I talk about, please hit that like button. All right, guys, peace.